So in this Microsoft Word tutorial video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to capitalize every single word in Microsoft Word in this video. So first thing you have to do is obviously type in whatever sentence. So for example, if I were to type in a sentence, this is an example of every word not being capitalized, just like that. I spelled capitalized wrong. It doesn't even, you get it. You get the word I'm looking for. I'll just type in spiritualized. Why not? This is an example of every word not being spiritualized. Now, if you wanted to make every word here capitalized, it's a very simple process. What you can either do is the manual way, just go to the S, make the S capital. Go to the B, make the B capital. But if you wanted to sort of do a workaway around that to make it simplified for you, what you can do is highlight the entire sentence, go up to this top bar right here, so make sure the home button in the top left is selected, and go to this capital A and this lowercase a where it says change case. Pressing the arrow right here to get this drop down. Now there's sentence case, lowercase, uppercase, capitalize each word, and toggle case. We want to go ahead and capitalize each word. So press on capitalize each word, and by pressing that, you actually make every word, every individual word capitalized automatically. So a pretty straightforward process, but that's how you guys can capitalize every word of a sentence here in Microsoft Word. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.